Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A17, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So, to get started, you want to open up your settings, and here scroll all the way down to General Management, and then select Reset. Then swipe down again, and at the bottom you'll see Factory Data Reset. Now, I might not be able to go through this because of the battery, but we'll see in a second. Now, before we get this message, so it lets us know that Factory Data Reset removes all the data listed right here, which importantly includes music, photos, and all user data. So anyway, if you have anything that you would like to maintain, make a backup copy of it before you go any further. Now, I will kind of say this in a very blunt way. I would not recommend using the what is it? Smart switch, I think. So you can use this application on your computer or on other devices as a backup method. For your computer, it works. It probably works better than other things, at least I'm speaking from experience of using a Fold 4. So when I was trying to back up my device manually, Samsung was being a bratty little piece of shit and would refuse to basically continuously be connected while I'm moving over the data. So it would deliberately disconnect. The reason I'm saying deliberately, because there's no reason for it to be doing that. And on the same cable, same time, if I were to use the Smart Switch application to back up my data to my computer, it worked just fine. No disconnects, no nothing. So it is just Samsung being a piece of shit. Let's not sugarcoat it. They're not the most trustworthy company. They're super shitty pieces of trash. So obviously, it's one of their ways to try to monopolize on you already using a Samsung. And the reason I'm mentioning this is because by using Smart Switch to back up your device because you got a new phone, if that new phone isn't a Samsung, well, congrats, you don't have access to your backed up data that is manually backed up by you to your own computer just because you use their piece of shit software. And this is done, I would say, just out of spite. So that's one thing. Another thing, you can do a cloud backup, and again, this also limits you to restore it to another Samsung device if you use a cloud one, unless it's done to Google. But both cloud backups, no matter where you do it, have limitations and downsides, which you're uploading your personal data to someone else's computer. And then, on top of that, that data will be held legal by law only for like 2 years or something like that, at least in the European Union. And after that, it needs to be deleted by the company as long as nothing has been done with it for that time. So you might back up your device, think that you're going to come back a couple of years later to this, or maybe you just remember that you had something and you realize that your data is now completely gone. It's not a good system. So back it up using using, for instance, a cable, and just manually dragging the files to your desktop, for instance, that you want to maintain. Anyway, in here we can now select Reset and delete all. Now I will get this. So because I have a Samsung account signed in, I need to sign out of it before I can progress further with the reset. So I actually need to go check what the damn password for this is, because I don't remember. Okay, so I think I got it. Let's see. Okay, let's try. Now, if you typed in the password correctly, it's just gonna jump straight to resetting without ever actually letting you know. Let's try it again. Some network problem. Typically, it will let you know that this is a wrong password unless it's giving me some network problem, which is gonna be more annoying. So I'm gonna already prep hotspot on my device, because yeah, it's kind of failing at this. There we go. So you can see once you type in the password correctly, it just basically jumps straight to the reset. Now this will take probably 2 minutes or so, give or take, to finish up because it is a bit of a slow device. And once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me, and in the meantime I will pause the video so I don't waste your time. So the process is now finished. Like I said, it went fully automatic, so there was nothing I needed to do in the meantime till this page shows up. And from here, you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.